Happy New Year, everyone! Well, it's the first of the year, a brand new start, a new beginning. And what are we going to be doing today, sweetie?
We're going to plant some seeds and we have to transfer the plant.
That's right. We're starting the new year off correctly by sowing into what we want to see manifest in our life. In this case, more seeds, more transplants. We want to grow more abundance this year. So we've got our little work area set up, ready to go. And we pulled out some of the seeds that we actually started collecting last year that we want to begin to sow at this time. And we also have some cuttings here of longevity spinach that we took out from the garden, and we just put these in some water. You can see we've got some nice roots on most of these cuttings, and we're going to put those in some soil today. So the way we're going to fill these pots here is Alice is going to take our all-purpose potting mix and fill it in this tray here. This is made for mixing concrete. It works wonderfully for potting up plants, just getting the soil out of the bag, making it easily accessible to fill the pots. Now, as an added bonus, I'm going to be adding in some of these soil moist granules. A little goes a long way. And we'll mix that in. That's just going to help keep the soil moist in between waterings. Now, it's already in the greenhouse with high humidity, so it's not going to need much watering anyways. But when you add in the granules, you can go a week or two without any type of watering. So right now we're just reusing some smaller pots that we've collected over the years. These are perfect size for transplanting seedlings or rooted cuttings. And these are 4-inch deep-bodied pots. It's nice to have a partner with you doing a bit of gardening. I'm just going to use this little dibber tool, create a hole, and stick in the rooted cutting. And then you can pack it in.
This.
So we're a little operation here. This one's got a bunch of roots on it. Wind it in there.
I have to shoot. I have to be really careful.
So while Alice continues over there, I'm going to get some more seed trays started over here. I've got some of these 40 cell seed trays here. Great for starting seed. So I'm going to be starting my seeds this year utilizing this black gold seedling mix. Heard good things about this. I've never used it before. A little pricey. We'll see how it does. I'm just going to take my seed tray, fill it up. All right, so the first seed I'm going to start today is a green leafy Asian vegetable known as 𝗙𝗃 or 𝗙𝗃. So I'm just going to again use the smaller end of the dibber and make a little spot for the seed. All right, so quick tip, especially when seeding smaller seeds, is to just use the envelope that it comes in. Most seeds come in an envelope. And I'll get it right there at the tip. And just slightly tap the envelope. I'll put 2 seeds in each hole here. Or more. It's pretty easy to control. And we'll just cover those up. And the best way to water young seedlings is to use a pump sprayer, I found, and I'm spoiled here with the Field King Pro Max, which is a battery powered pump sprayer. All I gotta do is hit this button. It'll pressurize real quick. This works great for compost tea as well. And this whole top portion, the head unit here, just unscrews and you just plug it in and recharge it when you need to. And And this just allows you to water things in without disturbing the placement of your seed or the soil too much. Also works good for just giving a little extra humidity to your mushrooms. You can water all your plants in no time with a setup like this. See, it just kicks back on as you work, and it needs to repressurize. So I'm just going to slap a humidity dome over this tray, and I also have it on a seedling heat mat just to get things jump started. These heat-loving longevity spinach are going to love it next to the hot tub here. I might even throw some heat mats under those plants as well to get them going. Well, that's going to do it for now, my friends. In just a few minutes, we got quite a bit planted. And now what are we going to do?
We have to plant something else?
We're going to work out.
Or work out?
Right?
Yeah.
We're going to hit the gym, do a bit of cardio. So with that, we want to thank you all for watching. Have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan
And Alice.
from PlantAbundance.com. Take care. We'll be talking to you again soon.
Happy New Year again.
Happy New Year. That's a pretty good spot you got there, Happy.